Hello kids! Snakes are amazing creatures. Do you like snakes? Some people might be scared of them, but snakes are actually very interesting and important animals. Snakes are long, slithery creatures that live on the ground. They have no legs, but they can still move around very easily. Snakes have special muscles in their bodies that help them wiggle and squirm. There are many different kinds of snakes, and they come in all sorts of colors and patterns. Some snakes are very brightly colored while others are more dull and brown. Snakes are carnivores, which means they eat meat. They like to eat small animals like mice and rabbits. Some snakes are venomous, which means they can hurt people with their bites, but most snakes are harmless to humans. Snakes are also very helpful to the environment. They help to keep the population of small animals under control, which means they help to keep the ecosystem balanced. Snakes are amazing creatures that are very interesting and important. They might seem scary at first, but they are actually very cool and helpful animals.
Didn't say anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take